Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I achieved this soft glam neutral eye makeup using the Viseart neutral matte eyeshadow palette. And so if you would like to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. So I went ahead and filled in my brows and I prepped my lids with concealer as primer, and now I'm going in with my lower powder and a large fluffy brush to set the concealer in place. So now with my Viseart neutral eyeshadow palette, I'm taking a large tapered brush and going in to the first eyeshadow, which is like a peachy shadow, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as my transition. Next, with my Ofra small shader brush, I'm mixing the white and light peach shadow to highlight my brow bone. With my MAC 217 brush, I'm taking a neutral brown shadow, and I'm gonna concentrate the brush on my outer 2/3 using wind wiper motions and circular motions. I'm terrible at this. Next, with the same small shader brush we used before, I'm taking the white shadow and I'm packing the color on my inner corner, my inner 2/3, I guess. But yeah, this is gonna definitely open up the eyes and make your eyes look nice and big. With my Sigma E36, I'm taking the dark neutral brown shadow and I'm concentrating my brush into my crease to define it even more. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner in intense black to create my wing. To prep my lashes for falsies, I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And for lashes, I used my Red Cherry eyelashes in number 415. After this, I finished off my face makeup, but now back to the eyes. I'm using my Sigma flat definer brush and taking the same neutral brown shadow, and I'm going to define my lower lashes. And with a pencil brush, I'm going to use it to buff the shadow out. I used my Rimmel Scandalized eyeliner in nude, and I used it on my waterline to open up the eyes nice and big. And then with my Maybelline Illegal Length mascara, I used it to my lower lashes. For lips, I used my Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Lolita, and to fill them in, I used my MAC lipstick in Modesty. And that's it, you guys. This is the end of the video. As you can see, it was super easy and simple, and I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.